Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we have a mukbang for you guys. I know y'all been missing our mukbangs. I've been doing a lot of recipe videos lately and we didn't get a chance to film some mukbangs, but now we're back. And the restaurant that we chose to eat at today is a restaurant it's a Philly based restaurant, isn't it? Just in Philly. So it's just in Philly. So the next couple of mukbangs you're gonna see us do some Philly restaurants, just in case we have any people that interested in visiting Philly and want to know where they can eat at when they're vegan. So this restaurant is called Veganish. It's the bad. I don't know if y'all can see the logo.
They can't see the logo.
But yeah, the restaurant is called Veganish. And yeah, it's Philly based. It's one on Spring Garden and I believe it's one on Fairmount. So if you're in a Philly location, you know where it's at. And yeah, I'll leave the addresses down below in case you're interested, like I said, for people who might be tourists. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got, and then we're gonna get into the topics. We have a lot to talk about today, a lot to catch up on. So
you tell it.
So you can tell them what you got.
So I got some vegan cauliflower wings, and they look kind of dry because I like my sauce on the side, because if you order something and it got sauce with it, to me they become salty sometimes. I'm a texture person.
Yeah, he don't like, regardless, he doesn't like sauce like loaded on his stuff. So like, even though he got barbecue wings, he doesn't want barbecue sauce on it. He wants it like on the side so he can like dip it in the barbecue sauce. But that's why it's called barbecue wings.
It's the same concept. Barbecue and then wing.
The difference is when it's barbecue, they cook it on the wing. So then you gotta eat it without it being cooked on the wing.
Oh dang.
So it's just gonna be like.
Dang.
And I decided to get some vegetables, little Brussels sprouts. And then I got some fries too. And then here is my cauliflower wing.
Yep.
And then here is how it's supposed to be made, like some buffalo wings.
Sure.
And they cook the buffalo sauce on it like this. Fries again, which are not that crispy. I usually sometimes I would put it in the air fryer just to make it a little more crispier. But they're okay. Everything still came hot.
Yeah, I don't know last time I had fries.
And then here is the Brussels sprout. So yeah, so we're just gonna get into topics today. They put your sauces in a bag.
I never knew how good blue cheese was so recently. Blue cheese is good also. What, cauliflower wing?
Yeah, he never had blue cheese. It's weird.
It's not weird. I didn't eat chicken.
You don't need blue cheese. If you eat salads, you can have blue cheese dressed on salads. You don't just eat it on chicken.
This is blue cheese. They're kind of disgusting. It's all like thick. I went with the French back in the day. Or Italian. Yeah, Italian.
So, I've been trying to be consistent with the recipes. I know a lot of people like to see my recipes, so I've been consistent with that. And I have a what I eat today coming up for y'all where I explained it a little bit more, but I had a cavity. I had a cavity from years ago of not taking care of my teeth properly, as far as eating. Well, I don't eat a lot of sweets. My thing was coffee. Coffee can really mess up your teeth. I used to drink lots of coffee, like Starbucks. I used to go to Starbucks every single day. That was my main thing. And then doing that a lot messed up my teeth. And using toothpaste that are not really good. Even I used to be a big organic person, so I would just get organic and natural toothpaste, things like that. But when I did that though, it didn't have fluoride in it. So what people don't realize is if you get a fluoride-free toothpaste, you need to get something that replaces the fluoride. And that's why it's better, it's best to get if you're natural or you're vegan, holistic, they usually make up a toothpaste that has all the beneficial ingredients that will help your teeth. And sea moss. So sea moss, cleon cinnamon, coconut oil, things like that. You know, you want to have in your toothpaste. But I used to just go to the store and just get a regular fluoride-free toothpaste, and that messes up your teeth really bad. It messes up your teeth. So if you're going to go the natural way, try to make up your own homemade toothpaste where it has like a whole bunch of beneficial things that will be good for your teeth. Because what they do is with the natural fluoride-free toothpaste is they take out the fluoride and they replace it with other stuff that's not good and it's not going to help your teeth. And then you're just going to end up still getting cavities. But anyway, yeah, I had a cavity that I should have been taken care of years and years ago, but you know, procrastinating on doing that, and then it just got worse and worse and worse, and I had to go get that removed. So that's why I haven't been filming as much as I needed, because I told y'all last time I said we was back, I was serious. Like, I was serious when I said we were back, but then, you know, with that, it like stopped me from doing everything I needed to do. So yeah, I got the recipes coming back. The mukbang's coming back. Taryn got a what I eat today. Got the what I eat today is coming back. So yeah.
If you're not following us on Instagram, you need to. Even though we're about to start being more consistent on YouTube, but the information and the reels that we be dropping on IG will be A1. You're not there, you get there. You need to. Peace, love, vegan 420. You might have heard me say earlier. Unless I mean, yeah, you know, I got into gaming. After my father, after he passed away, you know, gaming is a good tool. It's a good tool for for mental health. Believe it or not. And I used it. So upon doing that, you know, gaming, I didn't want to just game. I felt guilty just, you know, gaming, even though Tina understood I was going for mental health, but I still felt kind of guilty just, you know, playing the game and not being where I want to be in life with my family. So I figured why not, you know, kill two birds with one stone, try to build a channel, Twitch. And I created a Twitch channel. I was like, why not just try to build a channel, game, and, you know, make something out of it, make revenue out of it. And the goal is not to make revenue, that's not why I do it. I just want to show that gaming is great for mental health, and at the same time, just show different games. And you know, you're gonna get me on there. I got my camera in there, I got my mic, so if you know, if you've been watching me for a while, you know exactly what you're gonna get. I mean, and then, and I'm not even always that person that I am when I do my piece of vegan, because you gotta be kind of different. So I put on a kind of like a alter ego, especially when I play certain games. So I want people to just come past, just watch me game. You know, I got the latest games, Elden Ring, man, sports, FPSs, you know, stuff. Any game that's out there, I got it. Like I said, I started gaming for mental health, so I do everything. Puzzle games. I say if it's a game, I got it. So check me out at the Vegan Gamer 420. I got a Twitch channel, IG channel, about to have a YouTube channel. But again, the Vegan Gamer 420.
Yeah, and then we got the kids. Well, right now, aside, we focusing mainly on her channel right now. You know, she's gonna be a vegan mukbanger. So y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all got kids, make sure if y'all have kids and y'all trying to get them transition, show them her channel. She'll be posting probably once a week. So the adults, y'all can watch us, and then, you know, y'all kids can watch us side.
Well, and she got so much personality.
I'm pretty sure y'all remember when she did the video, when we did the video.
Red versus blue. So you don't know, she'll see you over to that video. She exactly, but her personality alone, you'll think she like a midget. That's what we thinking sometimes. I mean, I be asking for ID sometimes, making sure she's not one. Trying to, you know, live rent free. But she's not a midget. She's a baby. So just go ahead, watch her, check her out. And then our son Chris, he loves science. I was kind of like that. I had a phase where I was into science heavy, and it's just crazy how kids can really just be you. Like, I had a telescope, I had binoculars, everything that he's so hype about. He's not even hype about the Xbox. You know, he hype about Switch or nothing. They just want telescope and binoculars, and I had that phase, so that's great. And you know, your kids can watch them. You want to get them off of, even though they gotta be on it, kinda, because they're watching YouTube. But maybe you want to take them away from all the maybe the crazy stuff they might watch on YouTube. They can watch, you know, my son Chris will be doing experiments, science. He's real big in science. So, y'all remember Bill Nye the Science Guy? I was telling Chris to think about maybe Chris come on his own channel. I'm like, Chris is the science kid. You know what I mean? So it was just something we just thinking about as far as that jingle, whatever. And but he's definitely gonna have a science channel, doing experiments, having different people on there. Me, Tina, his brother. You know. And it's just like I said, just a different. It's gonna be tough. Imagine Bill Nye the Science Guy, but a kid. That's how it's gonna be.
Yeah, so yeah, that's it, you guys. That's all we want to talk about. But before I leave, I wanted to let you guys know about our ebook. If you haven't already heard about it, if you've been following us on IG, then you know about our ebook, Wellness Over Illness, basically helping people transition into a plant-based diet for people that are struggling, you know, with eating meat and stuff, and they can't leave it alone. This is the perfect book for you. And like I stated in well, I didn't post the video yet, but when I was doing my what I eat in a day, when I was on my what I eat in a day, I can't even say. Like I was saying, when I was doing my what I eat in a day in the last video, well, I don't know if I'm gonna post this video first or my what I eat in a day first, but whatever. I was talking about the wellness over illness and how it's good for people to transition to plant-based diet. So I want y'all to, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. Make sure you go cop that or purchase that. Go purchase that book.
See my body weight? That's shot.
Make sure y'all go pick that up. And we got a free detox, y'all. It's free. Make sure y'all go.
Last week?
Yes, it's free. So make sure y'all go purchase it. Go purchase it right now. A free detox. Just to get y'all started, because it works hand in hand with the wellness over illness. So if you're not going to detox first, it's going to be a little harder to transition. So make sure, please, you go get that free detox.
Free. What's better
Give
than
it
free?
a try. It's only
how much is it?
No, it's only 7 days.
No, how much is it now?
$0.99.
There we go.
So go ahead, go purchase it, go check it out on our I'll link. I have both links down below, and yeah, stay tuned for our recipe videos and everything that's coming up, and look out for our kids channels. We'll let you know in the later videos when the channels will be available. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.
Like I always say, eat to live, don't live to eat. Eat to live, don't live to eat. Peace.